If you joined an amazing opportunity and followed everything your enroller suggested, but you still haven't made any money, then keep watching because I'm going to show you a brand new opportunity that includes free traffic sources that will help you get paid daily using nothing but your cell phone that you probably have in your hands right now. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Now, the name of this business is called the Tools for Wealth Club, and it allows you to get paid multiple ways from your cell phone. You can see right here, there's a one-time payment of $25, and these buttons can be used to send and receive payments using a cell phone or tablet because these are mobile apps that can be downloaded. So you don't even need a computer to make money with this opportunity. Just check out the link in the description to get going with this as soon as possible. You'll be given a copy of the same page, and you can choose whichever payment options you want. So if you only have Cash App, then you will have just one button for Cash App. Now, I've chosen 5 different options, and the more options you give your customers, the easier it will be for you to get paid. Now, inside the system, there will be 3 traffic sources you can use to get you started. And when you join through my page, you will automatically be upgraded with a lifetime membership. And if you scroll down to the bottom, just follow the 3 steps so that we can get your website set up. Now, over to the right side of the page, you can include a short bio and an image about yourself so that you can brand your website. This will also make it easier for you to get paid because people like to see who they are dealing with. All right, well, that's all I got for today. Again, the link is in the description for you to get started. I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.